Hi everybody, my name's Troy Hawes and welcome back to another edition of My Acoustic Lounge. Today's guitar tutorial and cover is another classic song from the legendary John Mellencamp. The song is called Cherry Bomb and it was a release from his 1987 album Lonesome Jubilee. Cherry Bomb peaked at number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100. So, before we get started, be sure to click the subscribe button, as I'm always trying to put up new content on a regular basis. In addition, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, you might actually also like my original music, which can now be purchased or streamed from any one of your favorite online music providers. Simply look up Troy Hawes and you'll find my music there. Now, what we're going to do is we're going to look at the chords that you're going to need to know first. Then we're going to perform an acoustic lounge version of this great song. Afterwards, we'll go in depth and have a closer look at the chord progression. As always, I'm going to use a great backbeat from my Beatbuddy by Singular Sound. So if you want to learn a great John Mellencamp song, stick around. We're going to get started right now. Okay, in order to get all the way through this fantastic song, you're going to need to know 6 very easy chords. Let's have a look at them now. The first one is a G major. You're going to need to know an A minor. There's an E minor. 1 bar chord, it's a B minor bar chord. There's a C, and finally a D chord. That's it. Those 6 chords are going to get you all the way through this great song. Let's get to the cover.
I lived on the outskirts of town in a 8-room farmhouse, baby. My brothers and friends were around. There was always something doing. Had me a couple of real nice girlfriends. Stopped by to see me every once in a while. When I think about those days, all sport was sport. Grooving was grooving. Dancing meant everything. We were young and we were improving. Laughing with a friend. Holding hands meant something, baby. Outside the club, Cherry Bomb. Our hearts were really thumping. See, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, yeah, yeah, yeah. Winter days last forever. The weekends went by so quick. Went right around in this little country town. We were going nuts, girl, out in the sticks. One night, me with my big mouth. A couple guys had to put me in my place. When I see those guys these days, we just laugh and say, do you remember when? That's when sport was sport. And grooving was grooving. Dancing meant everything. We were young and we were improving. Laughing with a friend. Holding hands meant something, baby. Outside the club, Cherry Bomb. Our hearts were really thumping. See, yeah, yeah, yeah. See, yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. 17 has turned 35. Not surprised that we're still living. If we've done any wrong, I hope that we're forgiven. Got a few kids of my own. Some days I still don't know what to do. I hope they're not laughing too loud when they hear me talking like this to you. That's when the sport was a sport. Grooving was grooving. Dancing meant everything. We were young and we were improving. Laughing, laughing with our friends. Holding hands meant something, baby. Outside the club, cherry bomb. Our hearts were really thumping. So yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, yeah, yeah. Yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, yeah, yeah.
All right, let's get to the chord progression. We're going to break this into two separate parts for you. We're going to have a look at the verse and the pre-chorus together, and then we'll have a closer look at the chorus itself. Now, there is a kind of a bridge in this song, but it's very, very easy to play. It's just two chords, the G major and the A minor. I'm not even going to review that part of it. You can easily pick it up right from the cover itself. It happens after the second verse and chorus. Okay, with that said, let's get to the verse and pre-chorus. The song basically starts on the G major chord. Here we go. I lived on the outskirts of town in an 8-room farmhouse, baby, when my brothers and friends were around. There was always something doing to the pre-chorus. Had myself a couple of real nice girlfriends that stopped by to see me every once in a while. When I think about those days, all I can do is sit and smile. And then that takes you right in to the chorus. Let's have a look at that right now. Okay, starting on the G chord as well. The chorus goes something like this. That's when the sport was sport. Grooving was grooving. Dancing meant everything. We were young and we were improving. Laughing, laughing with our friends. Holding hands meant something, baby. Outside the club, cherry bomb. Our hearts were really thumping. So yeah, yeah, yeah. So yeah, yeah, yeah. And then that's it. Coincidentally, that little bridge simply incorporates and is played very similar to that as well. So there you have it, Cherry Bomb by the one and only John Mellencamp. Thank you for tuning in to my acoustic lounge. Again, if you like my guitar tutorials and covers, please hit the subscribe button. I truly, truly appreciate it. Till the next time, keep playing. Music is good for the soul.